What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our Tismos YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to get this 2025 Ram 3500 leveled and put some new wheels on it. In my opinion, Ram has definitely done a fantastic job updating the looks of their trucks. I know some people don't like this new face shape. I honestly think that it looks perfect, and this is a very good looking truck. For everyone that's tuning in for the first time, so far what we've gotten done to the truck is we have some window tinted that we got done. We just matched the stock tints in the back and we just put it on the front in the windshields. Then we got this Real Truck bed cover, which is a fantastic bed cover. And we also got some Rhino lining bed liner sprayed in the truck, which I wouldn't really consider a mod, but we also had to get that done. Don't get me wrong, the wheels on this truck do look good. However, they're not the best looking wheel in my opinion, and they do kind of ruin the look of the truck. So the wheels that we are going to go with, they are going to be some chrome wheels, and then we are going to upgrade the tire size from a 34 to a 35 and a bit wider tire. And we are going to do a 2-inch leveling kit like I mentioned previously, and we are going to upgrade the shocks for some Fox shocks. And then the stock wheel, it's about the same diameter as new wheel, just because the newer wheels that we got, they are kind of a replica of the older ones. So we're going to see how that works and if we're going to need a spacer or not. Let's go ahead and see how the new wheels look in the box. Once we have the 4-ply box right here, here are the wheels that we got. Let's go ahead and open the box and see how they look. We have the top piece off. Let's go ahead and open this up. Make sure. Oh, didn't want to do that. That's fine. We have the installation guide right here. Let's go ahead, take the plastic cover off. Actually, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second just so I could take this plastic off and then this cover off. Okay, now let's go ahead and take this off. They have this protective ring around about them. And just go ahead, pick this up, and here they are. So these rims right here are very similar to the older Rams. Let me put a picture up of the truck that we used to have. They had these same exact wheels, and that is kind of the look that we were going for. Let me just go ahead and put a picture of that truck right here. These are beautiful. Now the next step is that we're going to go ahead and head over to the lift shop and get everything ordered there, and let's go from there. Okay, everyone, so we're actually going to try something a bit different. So we are going to go to the tire shop right now, and what we're going to try to do first is we're just going to have the stock tire put on the new wheels, and we're just going to see how that looks beforehand. And then, you know, if it looks good, then we're just going to leave it as is. But if it doesn't, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to get some 35s put on here. I think it should look pretty good, and they're going to fit on here because it is the same size tire. So let's just go ahead and get the wheels loaded up. Like that, we have all the wheels loaded up in the bed, and let's go ahead and head over to the shop. These are also the lug nuts that I had ordered. For everyone wondering, all this is from Custom Offsets. The wheels were about 1,600 bucks, and then these are I think 80 bucks. And then the shop that we're gonna go to right now, they said that it should be around 280 bucks for the whole entire job. Just to be fully transparent with you guys, so let's go ahead and see if they're truly gonna be $280 and how it looks. Just one last look at the truck before we go ahead and get the new wheels thrown on. We dropped off at Big O Tire, and now let's go ahead and see how it looks afterwards. Okay, everyone, here is the finished product back from the shop. Like I mentioned, we went ahead and threw on the stock Firestones. We are still going to level the truck and still put 35s on there. I believe that I am going to order the Wicked leveling kit along with the Fox 2.0s with the reservoirs. I think it is about a $1,600 kit. And then for the tires, I think we might go with some Toyo ATs. They are about $480 per tire-ish, and we are going to go with 11.5 instead of the 12.5s, just because the 12.5s do tend to rub right over there. So just to prevent that, but still have that good look, we are going to go with that. But I gotta say, these wheels mixed with this chrome here, chrome over there, the truck looks fantastic. The look that we are trying to go for is more of a stock type of look. If you guys are, you know, kind of long-term Ram fans, These are the same type of wheels that used to be on the Tungsten editions. Ram kind of did away with that, but now this truck is kind of similar to the Tungsten edition. You have the chrome there, chrome there, chrome there. So it does still have the chrome on there, and that chrome just blends in very well with that black diamond paint. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned, more upgrades are still coming to this truck, but we just did this for right now. But please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.